In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zoho email account. Setting up your Zoho email is not only straightforward but also a crucial step in ensuring you can efficiently manage your communications. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to zoho.com. Once there, click on the Mail option to head directly to the Zoho Mail homepage. Upon reaching the homepage, you'll see various options, but since we're setting up a personal email, go ahead and select Personal Email. Now, this step is quite important as it determines your email address identity, so carefully choose a username. Make sure it's something professional yet simple, which can be easily shared with colleagues or friends. Once the username is set, it's time to create your password. A good password is simple for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to increase security. Remember, your password is your first line of defense, so make it a strong one. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your first and last name. Providing your real name is often a good idea as it ensures your communications appear professional and trustworthy. Then, you need to supply your phone number, which is crucial for verification purposes. This step helps in securing your account, so make sure to use a number that is active and can receive SMS. Before you proceed, take a moment to review Zoho's terms of service. It's always wise to be informed about the terms you're agreeing to, so give this a careful read, then check the box indicating your agreement. Now, you're ready to click the Sign Up for Free button. After you do, a verification code will be sent via SMS to the phone number you provided. Check your messages and enter the verification code in the designated field on the Zoho Mail setup page. Once you've entered the code correctly, you will have successfully confirmed your account, and you're ready to start using your new Zoho email. If you're interested in customizing your email further, Zoho allows you to add or even purchase a domain. This is especially beneficial for businesses or personal brands looking to create a unique email address. Should you choose this option, you will also need to provide a payment method for the purchase or upgrade of any additional add-ons. And that's it. You've now set up a Zoho email account. With your email active and ready, you're set to start sending and receiving messages, organizing your inbox, and exploring all the features Zoho offers. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.